The goal here is to show you how to clean your base so you can correctly analyze your current base edge bevel in two different ways with the true bar.
First, if you have wax on your ski, scrape it off so you can get an accurate reading from the true bar. Then use a soft steel or brass hand or roto brush. We prefer soft steel because it has finer wire and cleans the structure a little better. You can also opt for a brass brush, which is more economical, and for most tuners the difference will be minimal. If budget is less of a concern, rotos are a great time saver, especially if you have multiple skis to do. Now spray on your cleaning mixture and remove any remaining debris. Next, using your true bar is as simple as placing it across both edges using a backlight to tell you A, the size of the gap between the edge and the true bar, or B, if the edges touch the true bar. In the first method, you'll check in 10 cm or 4-inch increments along the entire length of the edges. If you encounter any spots where there's no gap, lightly move your true bar side to side to confirm if you hear the sound of steel on steel. If you do, mark these spots with a sharpie. If you don't, continue on. Another method is to move the true bar in a wavy pattern, very lightly like this down the entire length of the base, listening for those high spots. Again, mark these areas so they can be corrected later.